Hello and welcome to Ampersand Academy. Today, we're diving into the world of data science with a focus on R. In our previous video, we explored essential Python data science packages, so if you missed that, make sure to check it out. But for now, we're thrilled to delve into the fantastic R packages that drive data science in a whole new way. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any of our data-driven content. First up, let's talk about Dplyr. If you're looking to streamline data manipulation and transformation, Dplyr is the one for you. It simplifies tasks like filtering, summarizing, and joining data frames, making it an essential tool for data analysts. With Dplyr, you can easily manipulate, shape, and clean your data, ensuring it's ready for analysis. Next, we have SQLDF. This package brings the power of SQL into your R environment. It allows you to perform SQL queries on your R data frames, providing a familiar way to manipulate and extract insights from your data. If you're comfortable with SQL, SQLDF is a seamless bridge to data analysis in R. It's a game-changer for those who need to harness the querying capabilities of SQL in their data analysis workflow. Moving on to Carrot, an R package that's a game-changer for machine learning. Carrot is your go-to package for predictive modeling and machine learning in R. It simplifies the process of training, evaluating, and comparing a wide range of machine learning models. Whether you're building classifiers, regressors, or diving into complex model comparisons, Carrot has you covered. It's a must-have for anyone venturing into machine learning. Now, let's tidy up our data with Tidyr. This package is all about converting messy data into a structured and tidy format, crucial for efficient analysis. It provides a toolkit for reshaping your data, making it more suitable for analysis. Whether you need to pivot, nest, or unust your data, Tidyr simplifies the process and ensures your data is ready for insightful exploration. Lastly, we have GGplot too. It's the go-to package for creating captivating and customized data visualizations in R. With GGplot 2, you can create a wide range of charts, from basic plots to intricate visualizations. It provides a high-level interface for creating graphics, allowing you to customize colors, themes, and labels to make your visualizations informative and visually appealing. Whether you are a data analyst or scientist, GGplot 2 empowers you to convey insights from your data effectively. To summarize, these R packages are the backbone of data science. Dplyr for data manipulation, SQLDF for SQL-powered data analysis, Carrot for machine learning, Tidyr for data tidying, and GGplot for stunning data visualizations. These packages are incredibly powerful and essential for data analysts and data scientists. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with more exciting data-driven content. We can now see the incredible potential of these R packages in action. Thank you for joining us on this data science journey. Until next time, keep exploring the data-driven world and stay tuned for more from Ampersand Academy.